Hey guys, if your iPhone battery is draining fast, one of the biggest reasons could be apps running in the background, even when you're not using them. In this video, I'll show you how to stop background apps from draining your battery and data. So first, let's take a quick example. You can see I have an app like Spotify open, and even if I pause the music, sometimes it's still active in the background. That means it can continue using battery and data without you even noticing. Now, step 1 is to close your open apps. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen and hold. Then swipe left or right to see all your open apps. From here, swipe up on each app to close them. But here's the important part. This alone is not enough. Next, go to your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on Background App Refresh. Now, this setting allows apps to refresh content even when you're not actively using them. You have two options here. If you want to control specific apps, just scroll through the list and turn off the toggle for the apps you don't want running in the background. Or, if you want to save the most battery possible, tap on Background App Refresh at the top and set it to off. Once this is turned off, apps will only refresh when you open them, which can significantly improve your battery life. And that's it. This simple setting can make a big difference if your battery is draining too quickly. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.